wish to ablaze in her life. First off, for the candle of love, Socialera Tweetums, Marie Celine Bernabe. For the candle of integrity, Dancing Queen, Carla Coronado. For the candle of grace, Passion Guru, Zansenia Michael. For the candle of humility, Beauty Queen type, Dida Velasquez. For the candle of courage, Boracay Babe, Anna Marie Branson. For the candle of knowledge, the purple chick, Maria Riza Janelle Manero. For the candle of honesty, charming Bratinella Meryl Manasa. For the candle of congeniality, Goddess of Cosmetics, Alexandra Alaba. For the candle of patience, break dancer, Marielle Ann Laksamana. For the candle of faith, upper, Giselle Marie Lauren de Vera. For the candle of strength, supermodel, Arlene Ebanez. For the candle of charity, beauty and brains, Carla Stephanie Cadorniga. For the candle of appreciation, Ikay Princess Marinel de Maano. For the candle of loyalty, female fever, Catherine Reson. For the candle of fashion, speak out the picture girl, Christine Vanessa Regala. And yours truly, Katrina Domingo, for the candle of happiness. I quote from a writer, people often say that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But I say that the most liberating thing about beauty is realizing that you are the beholder. This empowers us to find beauty in places where others have not dared to look, including inside ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we celebrate the beauty of a person dear to all our hearts. We may know her as a daughter, as a sister, as a friend, or as a beloved. But in this special occasion, we welcome her as a fully bloomed lady, showcasing true beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the debutante. Rhea Christine Velaya. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Leo Malaya.